The Just King. A king and a queen had a son. He was very intelligent. He succeeded his father as a king when he grew up. He proved to be a very able ruler. His name spread far and wide. Even the gods heard about him. Now, when the rain god heard about him, he got jealous. He thought, how could a mere mortal become so powerful? I will teach him a lesson. Let me see how he saves his people from me. The rain god stopped sending rain on earth. Life on earth was severely affected. The king tried everything to please the rain god, but he was not happy. Finally, the king brought a large army and fought the rain god. After fighting for many days, the king defeated the rain god. He then told the rain god to be judicious and keep the people happy. The rain god realized his mistake and became friends with the king. All was well after that. The king's advisors. A king had 5 advisors. But these advisors gave wrong advice to the king for their personal gains. One day, a learned Brahmin came to the king's court. At that time, the advisors were discussing a case. The Brahmin quickly solved the case. The king was very impressed by him and kept him as his advisor. The other advisors of the king became jealous of the Brahmin. Slowly, they started poisoning the king's ears against the Brahmin till the king had been completely brainwashed. From then, the king ignored the advice of the Brahmin. The Brahmin realized something was wrong. One day, he overheard the advisors talking. One said, "Look how we took care of the Brahmin. The king does not pay heed to his advice at all." While they conversed, the Brahmin quickly brought the king there and made him hear their conversation. The king was shocked and immediately punished his advisors. Later, he apologized to the Brahmin. The monk. Once, there were 2 brothers. They were monks. Now, while the elder brother was very intelligent, the younger one was dim-witted. The elder brother could memorize everything their master taught, but the younger one could not. One day, the elder brother, noting his brother's inability to learn, told him, "It is better for you to do some other work, as you cannot learn these difficult verses." The younger brother agreed and left the monastery. On the way, he met a learned sage. The sage understood everything by looking at the younger brother. He told the younger brother, Even if you cannot learn the verses, you can stand outside the monastery with a rug and help the monks clean their feet. The younger brother was very happy and did as advised. When his elder brother saw him doing this, he was very happy. He took him back into the monastery. From then on, the younger brother went on doing charity and became a great monk. The wise disciple. Long ago in a jungle, there lived a stag. The stag was very wise and the leader of his herd. In that herd was the wise stag's nephew as well. The wise stag taught the nephew all that was needed to survive in the jungle. The nephew was a good learner and followed his uncle's advice. One day, when the herd was grazing, the nephew felt thirsty. He saw a river at a distance and headed towards it. Unknowing to him, a hunter had laid a trap there. And lo, the nephew was caught in the trap. He shouted for help, but the herd was far away. No one heard him. At first, the nephew got frightened. Then slowly, he calmed himself and started thinking. He remembered the teachings of his uncle to survive in a jungle. Immediately, he pretended to be dead, for he remembered that a hunter never took a dead animal. As expected, the hunter did not take the stag. Thus, the stag was saved. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.